Hey everyone, today I'm going to do the last Edabit very easy question on my side. Very exciting, very sad at the same time. So I'm going to begin. It's going to be fairly quick, unless I speak really slow, which happens as well. So I'm going to do Java. And it says, hex code should concatenate a pass string name with string Edabit and store it in a variable called result. So make a function to concatenate a pass string name with string Edabit. Public static, we don't need that. Public class, basic variable, public class static, string name and we want to do name. We want to initialize name string is name plus Edabit and public static void main string args system.out.println. Create a return variable like it wanted, and then name string, pass in name, or pass in name string Bashir. Okay, perfect. This is a O of 1 notation. Let's carry that over to the editor. What did I call it? Basic variable. Alright, perfectos. Oh, sorry about the semicolons. I've been working in Python, but wonder why. Oh wait, that would be weird. Oh, so close. Alright, we'll have to come back. Alright, so I figured it out. I put the return on the inside, and I print out the function named string from up here and enter in a string. I'm going to replace it with this word. I'm going to print out again and again. All right, let's run that. All right, that looks perfect. Well, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, join the meetup group that happens every Friday for the next 9 weeks, or follow my GitHub page to get these results and play with it yourself. Have a good one. Bye.